confused between router, switch, and modem. Let me explain in 60 seconds. Router connects your home network to the internet. It gives internet access to all your devices like mobile, laptop, and smart TV. Switch connects multiple devices inside a local network. It is mostly used in offices to connect computers, printers, and servers. Modem connects your home to your internet service provider. Without a modem, you cannot access the internet. Access point provides Wi-Fi signal. It converts a wired network into a wireless network so devices can connect without cables. Hub is an old network device. It sends data to all devices, which makes it slow and less secure. Now it is replaced by switches. Firewall protects your network from hackers. It blocks unwanted traffic and keeps your internet connection secure. Repeater boosts weak Wi-Fi signal. It helps extend coverage in large homes or offices. Now you understand network devices easily. Follow for more tech tips.